cause I'm a baller, can't nobody hustle harder than me. Girl, I've been shaking, sticking and moving, trying to get to you and that booty, trying to get to you and that booty.
Hey, Sir Fix-a-Lot here. As you know, I'm more mechanically inclined than electrically inclined. So I'm here at Car Audio MX, and I've got a 2014 Cayman where we're going to install a backup camera as well as a front-facing camera. I've got the owner, Martin, here. He's going to explain some of the products that we're going to assemble onto here. One of the main things is the ZZ2, because the setup in this Cayman is it has the PCM 3.1 with navigation, and so, you know, interfacing with that does take special electronics. We're here at MX Audio in San Jose. This is the owner, Martin. He's going to explain the ZZ2 interface for the PCM 3.1 in the Porsche Cayman.
Okay, we install the ZZ2 interface. The clue on this interface is we don't put any extra unit, just we put this part into the head unit. Okay, the ZZ2 is wireless CarPlay. They retain the microphone. Comes with the, you have two options: front camera and rear camera. Come with the USB, you can use with the wired CarPlay, and come with the Wi-Fi antenna. You can put the internet in the unit.
Got it. Okay, so I think the benefits here that ZZ2 has made is that you don't have to have a separate module in order to make this work. Basically, it comes with all the electronics here that just hook right into the unit itself. And Martin's going to go over that in a video a little bit later. So we'll get started on the process.
The ZZ2 CarPlay is almost done. I show you now how run the old wires for the front camera and backup camera. This is the RCAs. The wires come from there. This is the backup camera wire. And this is how looks the backup camera. It's ready to start. Okay, front camera goes from there to here. And this is how it looks when the installation is done.
and you can see how close it is. Red would basically be touching it. So the way they mounted the front camera, it's pretty nice. It's pretty discreet also. Rear camera as well, very discreet. It does have a rotating head, so it's kind of pointed straight backwards. And it does have a 170-degree view, so it's pretty good. Pretty happy with the installation. And here it is upon startup. You can see that the CarPlay is on. This is Apple CarPlay, so we can select any kind of music and go ahead and play. You know, the volume controls work just fine. And then if you want to go into reverse, the reverse camera does work. Just put it in reverse and you can kind of see it. Alright. And then the forward camera comes on. If you just put it in the drive, you can go back into the spot here. And then let me try to aim for a parking block. That's probably best. Then you can actually see it. So that parking block is right there. And I'll just go right up to the yellow. Okay, I want to show you one last thing here. There is an exit button on the main screen, which will bring you out to the options here. You can do Android Auto. There's a USB connection. You can actually hit the front cam right here, and it'll show the front cam without issue. You have to go back to the info button and hold that down in order to get back to that screen again. And then you can also, there's a setup button, and you can also exit out, and this will just kind of bring you to the main PCM 3.1 screen. But your Apple CarPlay, those kinds of things will still play even in this screen here. So overall, pretty happy with the ZZ2 setup. This is it right here. Comes in the box. Again, there's no additional, as you saw in the video, there's no additional box that you have to install. This goes directly into the unit. All the wiring goes right into the unit, so it's a pretty clean installation. And according to Martin, he said that it went relatively smooth, and he's open to doing this for anybody that has a Porsche with PCM 3.1, which is, you know, all the 981 Porsches, the Cayennes, some of the Macans, those kinds of vehicles. The ZZ2 is a great option if you don't have backup camera, front camera, and CarPlay already installed.